Hello friends, in this lesson we will learn about the original battery capacity of iPhones, whether this phone is new or upcoming, in addition to some information about fabrication. So before moving on to the explanation, if this is your first time watching, don't forget to support me by clicking the subscribe button, following, liking and sharing this video with friends and family. So, directly go to the default settings app available on all iPhones, open it normally, and then scroll down a bit to the battery option and click on it. Then simply click on Battery Health and Charging. Here you will find the current battery capacity of your phone. For example, this phone currently has exactly a battery capacity of 79%. 17%. Additionally, you can read this information if you are considering buying a used iPhone. I recommend that you take someone with you who understands iPhones well, because some people falsify or manipulate the displayed battery status of the phone, making it appear as if the battery capacity is 100%. That's why I advise you to take someone with you in order to ensure accuracy, who understands iPhones well. Before buying an iPhone, you must perform a factory reset on the phone. When you do this, the true battery capacity will be revealed. If you've reached this point, don't forget to watch this playlist. It contains some important iPhone tutorials that you will like and benefit from. Goodbye, my friends.